Oh, look at this. Yeah. Hey, we finna sell off. I'm gonna just tell y'all that. Alright, let me tell y'all why. Matter of fact, look at the weekly. You see how we came all the way down here and then rejected? Normally, I mean, it's looking like it's gonna be a bullish week, right? But normally what Friday will do is it will start to reverse a little bit. So, look, if we take the days, Monday made the low, and we started to push up. Boom. Now it's Friday, we should come back down into this weekly range. Then if we come to the 4 hour, you can see we got an SMT right here. I guess it's better on the 1 hour. Now the 4 hour is in the uptrend, as y'all can see. But I think we're gonna come down to the equilibrium of this range. So we got the SMT, the 1 hour done broke structure to the downside, as y'all can see through this swing low right here. Now we starting to push up already, and we don't really got no imbalance in here anymore, but the 15 minute is also on the downtrend. So I want to see how we react to this and to see if we sell off. If we start to push up, I'm not taking shit. If we push up, I'm not taking shit. It has to be bearish. It look like we starting to reject it right now. Hold up. Alright, this was equilibrium and we just swept these highs. But we need SMTs. I can't take none without no SMT, bro. I gotta have an SMT. I'm only taking the best fucking setups from now on, bro. I'm only taking the best setups, bro. Profitability is already ours. Stop doing that dumbass shit, bro. Stay in control of yourself. Stay in control of your emotions. Stay in control of your mind. If you feel yourself starting to go on tilt, starting to feel FOMO, starting to feel any of that stupid ass dumbass shit that keeps you unprofitable, that's an unprofitable mindset, nigga. If you feel yourself in an unprofitable mindset, get the fuck on, bro. Get the fuck off the charts. We staying profitable in this bitch. I'm willing to not take trades off of this shit. I want this shit bad, bro. I'm done doing the dumb shit, bro. I swear to God, nigga. Y'all about to see this shit happen in real life. Y'all about to see this shit happen in real time. Y'all about to see me change my life for real. I'm so glad I've been documenting this shit. I need an SMT or I'm not taking shit. This look beautiful though. I ain't gonna lie. Like, this looking like a 15-minute CRT and a 15-minute fair value gap within one. And we might make a fair value gap on this 1 hour, which would be cool. This shit is beautiful, bro. We came back into this 1 hour order block right here. This mitigation block. Reason it's a mitigation block and not a breaker block is because this high did not sweep this high. So a breaker block will be a high, a low, a higher high, a lower low. But this is just a higher low, a lower high, lower low. So it's a mitigation block. So let's see if we can manipulate into this high after this 1 hour candle closes. But we could also just take off. ES don't really got an imbalance at all. We gotta get that instant gratification out of our minds, man. That's the shit that's gonna kill us. Instant gratification. We want a setup now. We want money now, bro. Fuck that. I want this shit over the long run. I want longevity. I want real profitability. I want real change. I want to really change my family bloodline. I really want to show my parents what I've been doing, what they really haven't been seeing, bro. I really want to show these niggas I'm not a regular person, bro. My family don't know who the fuck I am. It's time to show these niggas who I am, bro. I told my IG this. I never told y'all this. I had a conversation with my dad like a week ago after I ran 13 miles. I came over to his house because his house is right by the park that I be running at. And my sister's going back to school. They just had their first day of school, but obviously a week ago when me and my dad were talking, they didn't have school yet, but we were talking about how school was coming up, and I was like, damn, I'm so glad I'm not in school no more, bro. Like, I'm so grateful I'm not in school no more. And he was like, no, you're not. Like, just fucking with me. He was like, no, you're not. I was like, hell yeah, that shit was terrible. He was like, you should still be in college right now. I'm like, nah, bro. The most these college students is gonna make by the time they graduate, the top of the students is like 300K, and that's probably pushing it, bro. But that's what I told him. It's probably gonna be like around 300K. I was like, I can't wait to show y'all what I'm doing. I can't wait to show y'all what I'm doing, bro. And he was like, yeah, the last person that told me that was your cousin, and my cousin actually homeless right now. And I think he got a girl pregnant. That's what I heard. I don't know if it's true or not. I don't want to throw dirt on his name. That's not what I'm trying to do. I'm just telling y'all the situation. That's the last person he heard tell me this. And it's funny because that cousin is who taught me about trading in the first place, who put me on to trading. Now, he was in IML. He didn't know IML was a scam, but I was like, bro, I don't know that. The shit you doing don't sound right. So I just learned on YouTube. That's a whole nother story. Regardless, he said that's the last person he said was gonna change his life or whatever. I was like, Pops, do you not question why do I be speaking so confidently about my future to y'all? Like, how do I be so sure of myself? He was like, nah. I was like, why? He was like, cause you 18. I'm really 20, but he said 18. And basically he was telling me I don't have enough life experience to know that my confidence is actually ignorance. He's saying I don't know how the world works. He was saying that in a nice way. That's the only reason somebody gonna bring up your age when you ask them why you confident. They saying your confidence is really ignorance. So I'm like, I bet. That shit pissed me the fuck off, but I'm like, I bet, just wait. Just watch what I do. And now I gotta show these niggas, bro. So guess what? I'm trading as if this is for my future kids. I'm trading as if this is for my mother and my father and my family. This 287 right here, this is for my family. This ain't for me. So I gotta take the best of the best setups. I'm gonna grow this account for real. And I'm gonna show you can change your life. But yeah, we might be ready to flip right now. This would have been the best place to get in right here in this candle, in this wick up here. But I don't really care, because there's no SMT. We could easily run these highs and manipulate into the 1 hour fair value gap and then push down. There's no reason for me to even think about this shit right now. And then who knows, 3 a.m. could set up a whole new fucking setup too. 3 a.m. been providing a lot of volatility recently. I wish I had a face cam so y'all could see my shit, bro. So y'all could see me, bro. Cause that's part of the whole vibe of this shit, but y'all can only hear my voice. It's all good though. I'm gonna be back with a face cam soon. Whenever I flip enough money in this account to trade and buy a face cam, I'm gonna do that shit. And I wanna buy the best fucking face cam, like $200, $300, bro. I want some nice shit, not no 1080p, not none of that lame ass shit. I want a 4K camera. I would've got in right here on my like the old me, I guess you could say. Not even the old me. Me right now, I would've took it right here, but the fact that we ain't had no SMT for real, this SMT wasn't enough. Maybe it was though, maybe I'm thinking too much. Okay, the 5-minute did shift structure though. I might get in on the next setup. It's not clear to me yet though. Sometimes I wish I fucking started trading in college, bro. That shit would've been lit. But I was a little too distracted. Everything happened for a reason anyways, but it's fun to think about shit like that. Like, what if I would've started trading in college? Like, really taking it serious. I first learned about trading from my cousin back in like 11th grade, I wanna say. Might have been 10th, going into 11th. I think it was during the summer. Or it might have been 11th going into 12th. I can't remember which one it was. Either way, it was in high school. Didn't start taking it serious until after I dropped out of college in the summer. You know what's funny though, bro? I always take my best setups when I wait for the longest time, bro. I be waiting for so long to get into trades on my best setups. Especially when I first started trading futures. Like when I first made the switch, I was doing pretty decent. The best setups, bro, I would have the feeling of wanting to get into a trade and like being like, damn, I should get in right here. Damn, I should get in right here. Like that feeling of FOMO would creep up on my ass. And I would end up holding out to the point where I think I missed the trade. And then the real setup would be so clear and it would come after all of that shit. And that's what I'm realizing. I don't know. I just want to share that with y'all. Still ain't no SMT, but goddamn, I want to get in so bad. I want to get in right here so bad, but I'm not gonna do it. The market gonna show its hand, bro, and that's when you take the trade. Not when you feel like you need to get in, my nigga. Not when you fucking itching to put on a trade. Not when you see one fair value gap that broke through a fucking swing low. Nigga, that's not when you take it. You take it when the market fucking shows you for sure. And the market might never show you and make the move without you. That's okay. Cause taking a risk and trying to catch that move, that's way less probable where the market's not showing the hand, where it's more like gambling. That's going to hurt you more than it's going to help you, bro. Unless your intuition just on fucking point. But if your intuition's on point, then the market's showing you its hand anyways. You see what I'm saying? But waiting for the best, most probable setup, you gonna lose a lot. You gonna You're gonna lose a lot of opportunities. You're gonna miss a lot of setups. But the setups that you do miss, when you do that, when you ignore the little opportunities instead of the big trade, the setups that you do miss, it's gonna be worth it. Because if you would have took every opportunity where you were itching to put on a trade, where you felt like the market was gonna move but it wasn't completely clear, if you took all of those trades, you end up losing more than you win. That's my experience. From my personal experience. When I feel like, okay, the market's about to move, but I don't know for sure, I don't see it for sure, I'm not 100% confident, I lose more than I win. You see what I'm saying? I might have missed 10 winning setups, but in total, I might have taken 30 of those setups, and 20 would have lost, and 10 would have made it. See what I'm saying? Would have won. I hope that makes sense, bro. I'm kind of rambling. We did shift structure to the upside on the 5 minute. Doesn't bother me much though. Just something to note. I mean, none of this shit should bother me. I'm just taking notes. Yeah, so this buy side sweep was also a 1 hour fair value gap. Just keep that in mind. And peep how NQ is a little higher than ES. We could sweep this high on NQ and not take it on ES and create another SMT. I mean, not another SMT, just an SMT in general. I mean, we do have the higher time for. Y'all know what the fuck I mean, man. See, even right now, I'm telling myself in my head, please don't take this high. I want the SMT to stay. That's fear, bro. I wanna find a trade so bad. Like, that shouldn't even be a thought in my mind for real. Or if it is, I should really just be observing the thought and not reacting to it. So I guess I'm still good. Feel me? But ideally, that's not even a thought in my head. I'm just looking at price, watching it. And if it does something that shows its hand, I get in. If not, then I don't. But I shouldn't be like, damn, please don't take that high. Fuck, we took the high. Nigga, I'm not even in a trade. Who gives a fuck? I don't really want to see the 1 hour close above this shit. But we already rejecting a lot, so even if the body did close a little bit above it, it wouldn't be too serious. 15 minutes rejecting this area right here. I will take a trade if we create a fair value gap though. I don't need this shit rejecting though. This shit start rejecting, I'm not taking it. I need a nice full candle. Yeah, that rejection is a bit too much for me. It ain't too bad though. Alright, I'm gonna take this if we come back up into it. We gotta come at least up into here. But we do have an SMT on the 5 minute. It's pretty big. But we did just shift structure as well. Looking at the child as he smiled, displaying perfectly formed lower teeth. Looking at me, you said, have you forgotten that all the children in my family are born with perfectly formed teeth? Alright, I just sold. I'm very tempted to sell another contract. And I think I'm going to. Alright, now we're just gonna let it play out. Oh yeah, I don't like that candle. Psh, look at ES though, nigga. Oh my god, look at ES. That shit pushed up like crazy. But it did reject. Now we got another SMT. I hope we can hold it, but put my stop in a good place though. We should not take out this high if we are selling off right now. If we do take out this high, we're probably gonna come up for Asian highs. And that's kinda how it's looking. Yeah. Cause this shit ain't holding. Shit might be cooked, my boy. Yeah, I think I should have waited for a stronger candle right here. I didn't really like that rejection too much, but the 5 minute broke structure. And of course, we had the SMTs and all that other shit that it was showing us. So, and again, my dumbass thought we fucking broke structure on the 5 minute and we fucking didn't even close below this. Why do I keep thinking that? I need to fucking zoom in or some shit. We might come back down into this fucking 1 hour fair value gap and just shoot for the highs. But we do have two SMTs, so I'll try and keep faith in that, but I don't really have faith. Most of my winning trades don't look like this when I'm in it, bro. They just don't look like this. This looks like a stop out. This does not look like a trade that's gonna win, but I mean, yesterday's setup was kind of similar to this. I don't know. We're gonna continue to hold it, but a nigga is definitely worried. Not feeling too great. Just sharing my thoughts with y'all, sharing my emotions. I want to get out, but I got in for a reason. I'm just gonna have faith in my analysis. That might be stupid, but bro, I want to get out so bad right now. Only a $36 loss, but I just my rules say don't cut my fucking losses, bro. Look how that 15 minute just pushed up. We still got the SMTs holding though, but we still holding this fair value gap area. This shit's finna take out that high, bro. There's no way. I should have got out, huh? I knew I should have. The way we were sitting in here, we pushed through this inverse and created a fair value gap. This is like a perfect buy model if it was down here at the sell side level. What the fuck happened, bro? Why does this keep happening, bro? I mean, it looks like this shit gonna lose anyways, but why did I get out of that trade, bro? Bro, you better just stop me. Like, you better hit my original stop loss. I'm gonna be tight as fuck, bro. Man, you gotta be careful with these small accounts, bro. God damn, bro. I can't be risking like half my account because apparently, I guess I got margin call because I was under 150, and I think that's a minimum to sell a contract on NQ. Well, we shouldn't be accumulating like this right now if we were gonna sell off. I'm not gonna say we shouldn't be because we did that yesterday as well, but it's weird that we are. Seems like we gotta manipulate higher or some shit, but we got 3 manipulation moves, bro. Niggas want to sell bad, but it just doesn't. Where am I gonna sell at? I mean, if this shit do play out, I can't be too angry, bro. Cause that just means I read price very well. I stayed patient. I wanted to get in over here. I stayed patient. I was watching everything. You feel me? Alright, fuck it. I guess we paper trading. Got stopped anyways, but if this shit plays out, bro, I ain't gonna lie. This shit gonna piss me the fuck off for real. And I can't even sell again because I just don't have enough in my account. And I guess I should have realized that, bro. Be careful when you trade in small accounts. I hope this shit gets stopped just so I can breathe. Like, okay, I would have got stopped anyways, but if this shit plays out, bro, I ain't gonna lie. This shit gonna piss me the fuck off, for real. Alright, we got stopped anyway, so it don't even really matter, do it. I guess I wasn't patient enough, man. I mean, let's be honest. This is where the SMT formed, and then we want to push down with very low liquidity, very low volume. And then we get an expansion move and that shit don't even have a wick on it. And then we get another move, but this was literally the open, you feel me? So we gonna expect some type of move somewhere. We get a big move down, then we get a fair value gap. I'm thinking, okay, cool, this is where we sell off. But damn, this candle did not form the way it should have formed, bro. And I kind of knew that. I said I wanted a nice full candle. Does that look like a nice full candle to your ass? So even after everything I said to y'all today, bro, I still did some dumb shit, I guess. I'm thinking this is a good trade. But I can't be mad at myself too much because I was very patient. And then I saw what theoretically I needed to see. I just mistimed the market again. So yeah, I don't really know what to say. I don't even think I'm gonna be able to trade during New York because I'm not gonna be able to put no funds in my fucking futures account. That SMT is gone now, this big one. I think this one gone too. But this shit is some ass. It just looks terrible. Just looks fucking horrendous. I'm getting the fuck out the charts, man. I'm tired of this shit, bro. I'm tired of fucking losing. It's pissing me off. I mean, I really won yesterday, but still. These losses are just annoying as fuck. And I should have looked at ES and noticed this candle and been like, yeah, nah, let's not take this. What happened to me, bro? I feel like I was just trading good. And I was like, I can't take a good trade to save my fucking life. Fuck it. I'll be back for New York.